Want to go for a zero oil recipe? Then here's how you can do it. A very simple recipe and you can do it very easily. This is Punjabi Papad. You can either use one papad or you can do multiple. Simply take a microwave plate and place all the papads in it and just cook it for 30 seconds. This is being cooked in full temperature, 900 watts. Cooking of papad in microwave is very easy. But you also need to take care of the size and thickness of the papad. Each time when you cook, the cooking time will change. Now it's time to overturn the papad. After 30 seconds, we'll give another 30 seconds. This time you need to be very careful since the thickness and the size of the papad is very essential. While this one is thin and medium sized papad, it took me around 1 minute. This is my LG Solo microwave. You just need to see all the sides of the papad is cooked nicely. It will take around 50 seconds to 55 seconds. Sometimes within 45 seconds also it's complete. So without any oil you can cook your papad nicely. Even a 2-second difference can burn your papad. So be careful. Enjoy your mess-free zero oil papad.